Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media. Just wanted to jump on today and talk to you about the Global Tea Break. Yes, the Global Tea Break. What is it? It is a community of like-minded business owners from all around the world. And what we do is we meet up on the third Friday of every month. What are some of the benefits for joining us on the Global Tea Break? Well, you join the community of entrepreneurs and thought leaders. You can share your experience and you can collaborate and build strong business relationships with so many fantastic individuals and business owners. You can increase your visibility and build brand awareness for your company, or for if it's a solo project that you have going on, well, you can do so. And you can also learn from so much of the people that are on the tea break and all of their experience. I always like to say the decisions we make today define us tomorrow, and it is such a great community. We are so blessed to have so many fantastic people in the community, and it is so worthwhile for just joining and connecting with business owners from all around the world. If you want more information, visit theglobalteabreak.com, where you can register for any of the meetings, and once you register once, you'll get a notification the day before each meeting where you can just jump in and share your experience and tell us what's going on. So as I said, for more information, visit theglobalteabreak.com. That's globalteabreak.com for more information. I look forward to seeing you on the day, and as I always say, be safe, and remember, we are here to support each other. Together we are stronger. So I shall talk to you soon. As I always say, be social. Bye-bye.